Showers and storms approach the state line tonight, but may have trouble actually getting into the state line. You can see they're approaching right now on satellite and radar. For the most part, though, expecting these to track mainly more to the east than southward. And there's a lot of dry air in place over us right now, so that may cause these showers and storms to fizzle out before they finally arrive into our area. Thankfully, no chances for severe weather tonight. That's going to stay off to our northwest, all thanks to, again, those storms are running into a little trouble as they make their way southeastward. So here is future track. You can see that, again, that line of storms tracks a little more to the east than south, so areas of Rock County may end up getting a couple rumbles of thunder or a quick downpour or two. The rest of our area may not see much. A couple quick rounds of rain possible, a little closer to sunrise, but that may be about it as those showers and storms fall apart. So don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder overnight, but not expecting much for rainfall, and we are expecting dry conditions as we head into the bulk of tomorrow morning. Closer to the afternoon, more showers and storms on the way, and that's when we have to really watch out for the possibility of even some stronger activity. So late tonight, an isolated storm, otherwise mostly cloudy, staying a little stuffy, 70 coming for the overnight low. Then we don't warm up a ton tomorrow, only to 80 for a high, with more scattered thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong heading into the afternoon and evening. So as of right now, when it comes to severe weather risks, models are trending those storms southwards, mainly south of I-80. However, we can't completely rule out a few of them reaching severe strength north of I-80. So we'll watch these trends going into tomorrow afternoon, but looking a little more promising that we may avoid the bulk of this severe weather. You can see all of the state line under one risk as of right now, so it could be a storm or two that brings strong winds and large hail. Still can't rule out flash flooding, however, so even if we don't see severe weather, there is a low risk for flash flooding, a little higher on the scale as a result of all the moisture that's built up into the atmosphere. So here is future track starting in the afternoon, beginning to see spotty storms. So it's not going to rain all afternoon. There will be some dry time, but plan on and off storms for the most part throughout the afternoon hours. We get to about 4 o'clock. That's when we're expecting the strongest of the storms in the area. You can see those heavier downpours in place scattered around our area. When we get to about 8 o'clock, things are starting to dry on out, and then we head into Thursday with dry conditions. So a slight risk for flash flooding, low risks for damaging winds and large hail between about 3 and 7 tomorrow. So late in the afternoon is when you're really going to want to pay attention to those storms as we progress throughout the day. Then looking ahead to the weekend, some heat on the way. We quickly get into the 100s with the heat index going into Saturday afternoon, and that'll continue throughout much of Saturday evening. Saturday night, not cooling off as much, and then the forecast has possibly a repeat going into Sunday. So be aware that we are looking at some pretty hot conditions coming down the pipeline. As long as we don't see some storms, some scattered showers and storms may help reduce the heat a little bit, but plan on possibly another heat wave ahead with the heat index above 100 Saturday and Sunday. So looking at that extended forecast, again, storms tomorrow, possibly looking at sunshine then through the end of the week with highs near 90. We get into the 90s over the weekend, then we cool right back off again, potentially going into early next week. James and Kristen.
All right, Alex, thanks.